Today, I'm going to review the ABS Orkan Aqua Prebuilt Gaming Desktop PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a high-performance gaming PC that can handle anything you throw at it, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the ABS Orkan Aqua Gaming PC, a powerhouse from advanced battle stations that's designed to elevate your gaming, work, and entertainment experience. Let's break down why this could be the next big upgrade for your setup. First off, let's talk about what makes the ABS Orkan Aqua stand out. Powered by the latest Intel Core i7-14700F processor, this beast features 8 performance cores, 12 efficient cores, and a whopping 28 threads. That means you're getting top-tier performance, whether you're tackling the latest AAA games, streaming, or even handling demanding tasks like video editing. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card on board, you're not just playing games, you're experiencing them in stunning detail. Thanks to DLSS 3.5 and AI-powered performance, you get exceptional visuals with minimal lag. This card handles 4K resolution effortlessly, making it perfect for those of you who crave immersive graphics and smooth frame rates. Let's not forget the 32 GB of RGB DDR5 6000 MHz RAM and the 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. The RAM ensures lightning-fast performance across your applications and games, while the SSD provides ample storage with super quick load times. Plus, the RGB lighting adds a touch of style to your rig, making it not just a high performer, but a visually stunning addition to your setup. One of the standout features is how user-friendly this PC is. Out of the box, it's ready to go with Windows 11 Home installed, and setting it up is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the PC world, you'll appreciate how quick and easy it is to get started. Now, no product is perfect. One potential drawback to consider is the build quality. While the ABS Orkan Aqua delivers exceptional performance, some users have noted that the build quality might not feel as premium as some other high-end PCs. It's something to keep in mind if you're particular about the physical sturdiness of your gear. In summary, the ABS Orkan Aqua Gaming PC is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and stylish machine. With its cutting-edge components, incredible graphics, and fast performance, it's built to enhance your gaming, work, and entertainment experiences. Just be aware of the build quality issue, and you'll be all set to enjoy a top-notch PC experience. If you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.